Meaning of dominatrix.
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 Dominatrix. A dominatrix is a woman who takes on a dominant role in a BDSM relationship and exercises control over her partner through various acts of domination, such as physical restraints, psychological manipulation, and humiliation. She may wear leather or latex clothing to reinforce a dominant image, and often requires her partner to address her using titles like mistress or goddess. The practice of domination can be consensual and enjoyable for both parties, but it requires a high degree of trust and communication to ensure mutual respect and safety.